Before this encounter is over, a simple complaint about a young man trying to contact a woman is going to escalate into a trespass warning, a physical struggle, and ultimately an arrest. At first, the man insists he is only trying to talk to her, while the officer explains that the property owner does not want him there. But there's a major piece of information we haven't heard yet, and when the woman finally speaks directly to officers, the entire situation takes a much more serious turn. So pay close attention to what both sides are saying, because the story is about to change dramatically.
On September 10, 2022, officers responded to a complaint about a young man harassing a woman.
Apparently, he was talking to my child.
Your daughter lives here?
Yes.
With you?
Yes.
You all live together?
Right.
Does he stay here?
No, he's not from here.
Hi, Officer Gadsden. What's going on?
I'm just trying to talk to her about this.
That's it? She don't want to talk to you?
I mean, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. An answer. Nobody wants.
She got a phone?
She's not answering the phone.
Okay. Do you understand that her mom don't want you here? She not answering the phone.
Yeah, and
so.
I respected that. So the first time she asked me, I didn't come.
Mm-hmm.
And that was like a whole while ago. Still haven't heard now.
Went
so
out
I
before
said,
10,
let me
12.
come back. Let me see if I could talk to her. I'm just trying to talk to her. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, but
All right.
I
I'm just trying
advise
to
on
talk to your
10-12.
daughter.
Copy, 10-12 instruction up here.
For what though? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why?
well, I mean,
How am I sick?
13 up there.
just can you listen to me for a second? Stop arguing with her.
For what? You don't even
Hello,
know me.
sir.
You don't know me.
Hello.
I just like your daughter. I'm trying to talk to you.
Ma'am, can you let me talk to him for a second, please? Do you want to step over here and talk? Okay. So where we at now is she don't want you here.
To your daughter. That's it.
Hello. I'm trying to speak to you.
That's cool. I don't gotta talk to you. I'm trying to talk to her.
You gotta leave though,
Why do I gotta?
cause she don't want you here.
Yeah, but I want to be here.
Okay. So if you don't leave, you're first of all gonna
How you doing?
trespassing because you're on her property. She doesn't want you here.
I'm not. This is the property right here. So let me stand over here. Then.
You have no other reason to be in this complex. So
I just told you my reason.
okay, and
That's
I'm
a
telling
valid
you,
enough reason.
I'm telling you that by law, she don't want you
That's
here.
not- I
The
already
daughter's
know
not
the
answering
law.
the phone. Okay.
That's y'all statutes
So-
and codes. I know my law.
Okay.
So I know I could be here.
Okay.
But I'm just
but
trying to talk to
telling
your
you
daughter
that-
though.
Hello, ma'am. Can you?
How do
open
I
your
know
window?
that though? How do I know that? That hasn't came out her mouth.
So I asked you once, and now I'm telling you. The third time, I'm gonna put my hands on you, and I'm gonna
Put my
physically
hands for
remove
what?
you from the property. So you walk away and you get in your car, or this is gonna turn into something that it doesn't have to be.
That's cool. But
Okay.
I'm just trying to talk to her daughter. That's not.
Let's go.
Hey, get in your car. Where's your car?
Not cool.
Where is your car? Listen.
His car is right there.
Okay, get in your car and leave.
Why are you putting?
Are you
your
tensing
hands-
on
I
me?
just explained everything to you. I told you to leave, or we're gonna
I
put
don't
our hands
have
on
to
you,
leave,
and
though.
you do have to leave.
Why do I have
I
to?
explained that
What's
to
the
you.
law?
She does
What's
not
the
want
law?
you trespassing.
What
She
law?
does
That's
not
not
want
a law
you
that I
here.
can get arrested for.
Yes, it is.
You know that.
It is a law.
You gonna sit there
So
and
do
lie.
you want to
Apparently.
go to jail and find out?
I'm
Because
not
if you
going
do,
to
I
jail.
will
At this
take.
point, the officer has made the situation very clear. The woman has indicated that this man is not welcome on the property, and officers are giving him an opportunity to leave voluntarily. Notice the escalation in the officer's approach. First comes an explanation, then repeated instructions, and finally a warning that physical removal could happen if he refuses to leave. The man continues challenging the officer and disputing the legal authority behind the order. That disagreement is important, but arguing about the law on scene does not necessarily stop the officer from enforcing the immediate order. The real question is, should he have simply walked away and challenged the decision through the proper legal process later?
I will take you. You are if you don't leave.
I don't have to leave.
Yes, you do.
No.
Okay.
Hey,
do
don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't
Don't
want to
do
do
that.
that. Stay over there. Stay over there.
I just want to talk to your daughter.
Get out of this. Stay at your house.
People just make stuff so hard. I explained it to him 3 times.
That's cool. You don't know what my life and what I've been going through.
That's fine.
If I want to talk to her daughter, I could come now. And
No,
know
you
that.
don't.
That's
When
not
we
fair.
ask you to leave, no.
I
When
don't
we ask
care.
you
I
to
don't
leave,
know y'all. Y'all nobody to me.
Okay, well, you will find out when you go to,
Y'all
when you go to
nobody
jail.
to me.
Move your hand.
If I go to jail, I'm not staying there. Y'all know that. So I'm not scared of y'all. What y'all talking about, bro?
That's
Y'all know I'm not gonna stay in jail because that's not a law. That's a statute.
give me that. Give me.
Give me that damn key.
Let it go. Let it go.
Watch out.
Let the key go.
For what? Y'all
Listen.
doing the
You're
most.
going
We
to
black
jail.
people. You
You're
working
going
for the
to
people.
jail. You're going to
We
jail.
black people. You gonna go home and look. You gonna look at yourself like, damn, I arrested a kid just cause he wanted to talk to a girl.
I got it.
Y'all gonna take on my pictures too?
Mind your business, sir.
Hey, I appreciate you, sir. I appreciate you, sir.
Call for it.
Y'all got no
Detained.
power, bitch. Y'all got no power.
13 of them are.
I got no power, man. Hey, I appreciate you, sir. Love. Now I'm just trying to talk to the daughter. That's it. That's love, though.
And now we get the missing perspective. Up until this point, we've mainly heard the man say he only wanted to talk to the woman, but her account changes the context significantly. She tells officers this has allegedly been happening for about a month, that she has been documenting his visits and messages, and that she has repeatedly told him to leave her alone. This is exactly why officers need to gather information from everyone involved before making a final assessment. What initially sounds like a disagreement between two people may involve an ongoing pattern of unwanted contact, so listen carefully to what she tells police next.
Hello. What's going on?
A lot is going on. He's stalking me. He won't leave me alone. He's crazy. I've been recording every single time that he's come here, every single time that he's texted my phone. He's like harassing me, and he won't. Clearly, you see, he won't leave me alone. This isn't the first time he showed up here. I don't know how many times he showed up here when I haven't been home, okay? She's already told him on a previous occasion to leave me alone, and he doesn't listen.
So you don't want him here. You don't want him here.
No,
We told him several times, don't come
Ahead
back
of
here.
you.
You park over here, it's a fire lane, do not park here.
You're not even supposed to park there. You're not even supposed to be over
How
there.
long has this been going on
This
for?
has been going on for about a month now.
A month?
A month now. This is ridiculous.
Okay.
You know
No
the
problem.
world we live in today? You can't
Yeah,
just,
it's crazy. Wait right here. Don't leave. Let me talk to my partner for a second.
You can hear this. I don't want anything to do with you. Do not show up to my house again. Stop watching me and do not show up to my house again. Do you understand me? Everyone is sitting out here hearing me say this. You're hearing me say this. They're hearing me say this. Don't show up to my house again. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're
Okay,
crazy, you're
that's
insane,
enough.
and
That's
you need to
enough.
leave me
That's
alone.
enough.
Go to jail 'cause
That's
I wanna
enough.
talk to you. The gate open.
It's a private
This
community.
is not public, bro. It's public. It's
It's
not. It's open.
Okay, but
The
do
gate
you live
open.
here?
That mean anybody could. I don't gotta
No.
live here.
No, it doesn't.
But I don't have to live here to come here.
But see, that's why I say you keep saying that you fucking know the law, but you
And I
don't.
know the law. It's only common law. That's it, bro.
What?
I'm not under y'all. I don't give y'all no jurisdiction, bro. I'm not under y'all. I'm the living soul.
What's your first name, buddy?
Bro, don't worry about that, bro. And you know you can't do nothing if I don't give you nothing. You can't do nothing.
So this is what you need to do.
Yeah.
I'm going to document everything.
Yeah.
We're going to trespass warn him from here. It's a written. So when we do a written trespass warning, that means if any officer come back here and they see him here at your door, he can go to jail for trespass after warning. After I trespass him, you need to take all the photos, all the videos, keep them. Don't get rid of them. If he continues to text you and call you, like literally document everything.
Yeah.
And go back to the clerk. You already did it before. Just do it again and let them know that this is an ongoing issue. You know, you feel in fear for your safety.
Literally, he was harassing me through text messages all last night, and I'm just not responding. He won't leave me alone. And I hate being not left alone.
Yeah. So go to the judge, request for a restraining order, and you could just explain to the judge that it's getting to the point where police is involved,
Yeah.
and it shouldn't be like no problem.
They gonna give you ASAP.
Yeah. Even if it's just a temporary one, usually.
Something, I need something. Like right now, I don't have nothing. I've been paranoid, freaking
Yeah,
out.
even if it's something
At school,
temporary
at
until
home.
they can get something permanent. Yeah.
Yes.
And listen, if at any time you feel in fear for your safety, callers. Like if you see him around, if you go outside, you feel somebody, like absolutely call the police. Don't stop.
day. I've been on edge waiting for this to happen again. That's how bad it is, because I knew it was going to happen again. I knew it.
Yeah.
When I'm at school, I have to watch my surroundings because he'll show up there.
That's even more reason for you.
This is where the situation moves beyond a simple argument at someone's home. Officers are now documenting the complaint, formally trespassing the man from the property, and explaining what could happen if he returns after receiving that warning. At the same time, they are giving the woman practical steps: preserve messages, save photographs and videos, document future contact, and consider seeking a restraining order through the court. That distinction matters. Police can respond to immediate incidents, but longer-term protective measures often require the court process. Meanwhile, the man continues disputing the officer's authority and refusing to acknowledge the warning. Do you think the officers gave him enough opportunities to leave peacefully?
For you to go to the judge as soon as possible and make sure you do that. Okay. You are officially being trespassed from this property. You have no reason to be here.
I just told you my reason. That's the reason.
They don't want you here.
All right, that's cool.
So what I have done is I have completed a written trespass form. If you come back on this property within this complex within a year, and police see you on the police.
How you gonna sit there and tell me that? If I want to, I could do that. And y'all can't take me to jail. You know
if
that.
police see you on the property after this form has been completed, you will be taken to jail. So
Bro, I'm not
today
scared.
is
I thought I was going to jail from the jump. Stop lying to the people.
today is September.
You just lied to me, said I'm going to jail.
Today
Y'all
is
sit there and lie to people when y'all arrest them. Stop lying.
Today is September 10th,
Stop lying.
2022.
Yeah, just take me
If
out
you
these
come back
cuffs so
on
I
this
can
property
leave, bro.
before September 10th,
Bro,
2023,
I just told you don't have no
of
power
next
over
year,
me. I do what I want to.
you will
'cause I
be
control
taken to
my
jail.
life.
So
Now
do
take
not
me out
come
these
back
handcuffs,
before
bro.
next year.
What did I just tell you?
You understand what
You
I
don't
just
own
said?
me. I own myself.
Do you understand what I just said?
And no, I don't understand.
What
you were gonna
what
take me
part
right
don't
there.
you
Nah, I
understand?
played 2 times, but never the
What
third time.
part do you not understand?
Bro, I don't understand. That's it.
I'm about to bake
You thought you was gonna get me? I don't understand. Stupid. Take me out these cuffs. I don't understand.
Do you understand you've been
I don't understand.
trespassed?
Take me out these cuffs now. I don't understand though. Take me out these cuffs.
Okay, I'm done. He's going to jail. I'm over it. I'm so done. He's going to jail.
But the world we live in today is insane. You think you know a person, you don't know a person. You don't know.
What do
People are
you
truly
mean
crazy.
by don't let you end up like the people?
Like, don't let me end up dead on Fox News or something like that because he, I don't know, snuck behind me or was following me on my way
Has
to
he
school.
ever snuck behind you before or like followed you or?
One time I seen him in a plaza that I was at, but I wasn't sure. I just got in my car and he went away immediately because I was terrified. I'm terrified. I live every day of my life in terror.
So your mom's taking the car, okay? All right. Watch your feet.
Looking back at the entire encounter, the biggest takeaway is how quickly conflicting versions of the same situation can turn a verbal complaint into an arrest. Officers initially tried to explain the trespass issue and gave the man multiple opportunities to leave voluntarily. Once the woman provided additional allegations of repeated, unwanted contact, officers documented her concerns, advised her to preserve evidence, and recommended pursuing court protection if she feared for her safety. The man, meanwhile, repeatedly challenged the officer's authority and refused to accept the instructions being given to him. Whatever viewers think about each person's behavior, the footage shows why following lawful instructions during an active police encounter can prevent a situation from escalating further. What do you think? Did the officers handle this appropriately, or could they have approached the situation differently? If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.